Hello and welcome to English Speaking with Xoliswa. So today we are going to be looking at two very important words in the English language. So most of my students struggle with these two words because they are not sure when and where and how to use these words. So these words are can and could. So, by definition, can is the ability to. So, you are able to do something. And could is just the past tense of can. So, it's just the past participle of can. So, today we are going to be looking at some of the ways in which you can use these two words and how to use them. So the first example that we are going to be looking at is to use these words to show ability, to show what you are able to do. Okay, so the first example is I can sing very well, I can read, I can cook, and we can say I could sing very well when I was a child. I could run very fast when I was in school. And lastly, we can say, I could read very well when I was in school. Okay, so these just show some of the things that you can do. So they show ability. Okay, so the second example is to show when you can use these words to offer something to someone or could as a suggestion. So you can use can to offer something to someone and could as a suggestion. So for example, you can say to someone, can I help you with those bags? Can I send this email to you at this moment? And could, you can say, I could help you with your homework, or I could come over in the evening. Okay, so it's just a suggestion and it's just an offer. So can we use to offer something, and could we use to suggest something to someone. Okay, so the third way that you can use these two words is to show possibility. Okay, so can shows stronger possibility, whereas could shows a much weaker possibility. Okay, so you can say smoking can cause cancer. Okay, and also you can say if you can say if you can walk very fast, you can get home much earlier. Okay, and could, we can say a lot of crime could be prevented if the police did their jobs. Okay, so and also we can say you could have called first before coming over. Okay, so it's just to show possibility, but can shows a much stronger possibility than could. Okay, and then the next way that you can use these two words is to request something. Okay, so we use it as to show a request, but could is more formal, whereas can is less formal, more casual. So for example, you can say to someone, um, can you please lend me your book? And also you can say, can you hand me that bag? Okay, and then could, you can say, could you hand me that bag? Okay, or could I go to the mall? You know, it's like it's a request, you're asking for something, but could in a much formal way, whereas can, it's less formal. Okay, and the last way that you can use these words is to ask for permission. So can is used to both ask and give permission, whereas could is only used to ask for permission. Okay, so for example, with can, you can say, can I borrow your pen? I can either say, yes, you can. Or if I want to say no, then I'm going to say, no, you can't, which is the negative form of can. Or also you can say, can I speak to you? Okay. Whereas could, you can say, could I borrow your notebook? Or could I speak to you? So they both can ask for permission, but only can give permission. Thank you so much for joining me today. If it was your first time here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.